If you are just bought land in Nigeria, do not celebrate yet until you work on these 5 things that I'm about to tell you, because many people's already lost their land, not because of the scam or because of the fake document, but it's because of the simple mistake they don't even know about. Today, I will tell you the 5 dangerous mistakes you should never do if you are just bought land in Nigeria, most especially in an area like Lagos, Abuja, and other state capitals in Nigeria. If you make this mistake, your land may go forever and there's nothing you can do about it. So I want you to watch this video to the end, because the last one is going to amaze you. Without wasting your time, let's dive in. Number one, never abandon your land without adding value. I'm telling you this due to my experience. You need to add value immediately you buy land, because if you don't add value, a challenge may come, whether the one you foresee or the one that you don't even know. So you need to add value. If you don't get money to do fence immediately you buy land, at least get the gate house. The most important thing, let people know that you are just the new owner of that particular land, because if you abandon it without any adding value, most especially if you buy from the homonile, all their eyes will still be on that land. They can cut it for someone, or even they can even try to resell it where you are not there. What some people do, they just have a 2 coat on 3 coats of fence, so that at least if somebody come to that particular site, you will know that yes, somebody is already there. Mistake number 2, never build without government approval. Not because you just bought land and you rush to build a house without approvals or go ahead from government. This another mistake that a lot of people are making. I want you to learn from this. Immediately you buy the land, and if you want to build it immediately, you need to take time and perfect the paper. Let the government give you go ahead, because if you buy land, most especially in prime location in Lagos or in Abuja, and you just go ahead to build without a building approval, this may cause problem for you, because anytime the government official come to that site, you can run to the problems. So you need to extra be careful, because a lot of people don't even know the type of land they buy. Some people buy residential land for the commercial land because they don't know the difference. They just believe that land is land. You need to allow government to give you go ahead before you build such a house, most especially if you want to build in state capitals in Nigeria or Abuja. This is very important that you need to do. Number 3, never lose your land documents, because your land documents are proof of your ownership of that particular land. You need to take it very important. If you buy land and then give you land title and other documents, you need to photocopy it and keep it very safe, both physicals and digital, because this can help you tomorrow. Land in Lagos or any other part of Nigeria that you will buy today, another people will come tomorrow and claim the land, or the land may go through the land dispute. So it will be very easy for you to tender the proof of ownership. It is very important. Don't ever lose the documents. A lot of people normally do mistake of this. If the government comes somewhere and they want to demolish, some people will claim that this is my land, this is this is that. They ask them to bring the land title or any proof of ownership. Some of them, they find difficult to provide this, because they don't count these things very important. Once you buy the land, automatically all the document they give you, it has become very important for you. In case you may like to resell that land, or you want to use the land for anything that is going to benefit you tomorrow. So it is very important. Don't just keep it anyhow. Number 4, never ignore neighborhood and community where you buy the land. This is very important. After you may have bought the land, the next step you need to take is to know who are your neighbors in that particular neighborhood. It is very important. Know who already there before you. Look for them in case that place is never developed. Look for them. At times you see some group like that, they will have a platform. Try to join them so that at least you guys will be run minds together and find a way to develop that particular place. So it is very important for you, because these are the people that they will tell you what you need to know about the area, and also protect your land even when you are not there. So it is very important important to cooperate with them. Don't just say yes, you have your land and you are the owners of the land and they are landlord, you sef you own your land. No, don't just do that. Remember that it's land you buy, not house, and they will not build the house in one day. So if you are not around, these people can come around and observe what is going on in that particular place, and they can easily tell you. So don't just say yes, you already have your own, nothing concern you. You need to cooperate with them to know what exactly is happening in that particular place. A lot of people used to make this kind of mistake. At times they will put some material on site. Before they come the next day, they will see that they don't already carry the material. You will see, because when you come to new place, people that are there, they want to observe you, the kind of human being you are. If they know that you too show yourself, some of them will distance themselves from you. Even the thief even come or moneyless start to disturb your site, they feel unconcerned. Because if you just buy land in a place, you will see a group of people call themselves moneyless, they will be coming to that site and want to disturb your land. But if you have somebody that already passed through all those things, they will tell you what you will do that will never stress you. The last mistake, never assume that your land is 100% safe. As far as Nigeria is concerned, no land is safe in Nigeria right now. Honestly, you should know this and know fact. Even you even buy land with a C of O, if government want to do anything in that particular area, they can revoke your documents. Yes, C of O, they can revoke it and give you compensation. So there's no land that is safe. But what will make your own land safe is when you are very active, know what is going on in that particular area, and also listening to people's and updates. So because a simple information can save your land, so you need to know this thing very well. No just buy land and keep it and say yes, there's no problem, so anytime you have your money you will continue build the house. It's not just to be going there regularly. Ensure that you cooperate with people around the community. And also the most important thing, perfect your document on paper, not on physical. A lot of people are making mistake because they buy land, they will not perfect the document up to standard, so that when there's problem tomorrow there will be panic. So you need to perfect your paper in order to to be yourself and have a confidence in case any challenge may come to the community. Do you know that it's an offense to buy land and keep it like 15 or 20 years in somewhere like prime location in Lagos or Abuja without adding value on develop it? So it's an offense. In fact, government can come to that place and sue you to court. Once you buy land, you need to develop it. And if you don't develop it immediately, add value like in kind of gatehouse and fence. So this may be enough to confuse people. I hope you learned something in this video. If it is, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more information about landed property opportunity and the solution. In case you want to buy land in Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan, Ogun State and other parts of Nigeria, you don't know how to go about it, you can also contact me. I'm going to recommend the best area that you can buy land, either for personal use or investment. A land that is affordable and with a good land title. Just contact me today because tomorrow may too late. Thank you very much for watching and bye for now.